welcome to my channel. Today I'm back with another hair coloring video. This time it's the Midnight Jade, something that I can actually pronounce, so wish me luck. I'm going to go green this time, so the next time you see a new video from me, it will be with this lovely green hair color.
I want to know who's so good at
I'm gonna come right up to you.
Why?
I think she has eyeshadow underneath that hair.
Extreme close up.
You can kind of see it,
I don't
right?
want an extreme close up. You know what? No paparazzi, okay? No paparazzi.
You look fine.
I don't know you. Get away from me.
Your makeup is actually like intact and all that.
Well, the lipstick is.
On camera, on camera you look good.
Don't go through
Well, that's good because Halloween makeup is doo-doo.
And by some miracle,
What happens if I die?
I'm actually holding the camera really steady.
Exactly. Like last time, I don't know what happened.
Pressing down on that.
It was just like you were kind of like, I guess new-ish. So now you're hired as editor and cameraman, so you have like 2 jobs now. You've been promoted. Congratulations.
Thank you.
God bless America. You even left out.
I lifted grocery bags to the house.
Okay.
That's the most I did.
Well, now you can be featured in my video because you're like the background noise. You know.
Howdy, you two.
I like you. Do you love it? Do you love it?
Wait, I love what?
Do you love it? The whole look going on,
Oh, yeah.
the whole vibe, fantasy going on. Do you love the green fantasy?
It's going good, babe. Right now, you just started though.
You know what? I should dress up as a Joker and you could be Harley Quinn for once. Do a gender bend. That'd be sexy as hell.
Really?
That'd be.
Great time to reload, right?
Oh my gosh.
I don't want to put myself in really short shorts.
You know what? You know what?
Oh,
you just gotta do it. You gotta take it.
Peace out. Bye.
You gotta take it.
I'll
just look
It's
at
not
Corey
gonna work.
Nation for inspiration. He's always doing something on TikTok. So you can be Birds of Prey or even the Harley from Suicide Squad or something. I don't know. I could do the Joker look on myself now that I did for Haley last year. We gotta do some more TikToks with our Halloween costumes. When I get all my stuff together.
Yeah, I'm just worried about ruining the thing.
How?
I don't know. I just get paranoid whenever I put on the outfit.
Well, you just need to watch a lot of Grease clips. And
Or she got
I
tar and
should be
feathered.
Carrie. You know, I
I'm not even joking.
Go.
Reloading.
But then we're gonna be the Addams Family next year.
Because
I wanted to be.
Or you could be post-Inferno Carrie.
Huh?
Well, post-Inferno Carrie, you can put on like all the red stuff, and then
Oh yeah.
I can have my skin done up to look burnt.
Yeah. But I wanted to be Addams Family next year.
I'm here the boss.
You could be Gomez.
Yep.
Oh, we got a whole year to figure it out.
Well, I already figured it out because last year, remember I came
about
with
last
the
Halloween?
Yeah.
Do you have this year figured out?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
we're gonna be
Oh, okay,
Danny
well,
and Sandy from Greece.
2 Halloweens from now, here's
Oh, you might think I guns
That's how it worked out this
the
last
third
year.
one. We're really gonna do something.
We could be Marilyn Monroe and Joe DiMaggio.
Go!
See? Alright, how like all our
I can't
Halloween.
see. Change my camera angle.
Don't even worry about it.
2032 is gonna be awesome. We're gonna do a backflash to 2025. Really creep
You
people
were just
out.
having me.
I already have like the next Halloween will be the Addams Family, and then we can be either like Marilyn Monroe and Joe DiMaggio. And
Before or after Marilyn Monroe?
we'll figure it out. I don't know. We'll do it before she like died, and then we could be the Flintstones.
There you go. No.
Pebbles.
Pebbles?
Yes, you're Pebbles.
Pebbles. Isn't that a dinosaur?
No.
Pebbles and Bam Bam.
Where's Batman?
That's one of the dogs up is Dino.
Yeah, Haley.
Oreo.
could be Dino.
Alright, how's this feel? Is it cooped up?
Yeah.
Looks great on camera.
Oh really?
Actually did quite well around your ears. Neck's alright. Forehead looks pretty clean. So, let's do a little twist. That actually looks pretty good.
What do you think,
Looks
babe?
pretty.
Do you love it?
Looks good.
Do you love it a lot?
Looks good, huh?
It's a whole emerald fantasy.
Oh, I can't see emerald. From where I'm at, it looks black.
It should be crunchy. Next year. So relatable to my life. This is what the hair color looks like in the mirror, and I'm just like, oh my god, I'm like so shocked how good it came out. It is green, like super green. Even my hands are green. Everything's green and I love it so much. I'm trying to be quiet because I think everyone's sleeping and I woke up early, so yeah. But I want to thank all of you for joining me on this hair coloring vlog. I know it's not my typical kind of hair coloring video, but I think you guys will enjoy it, and if you did, please leave a huge thumbs up. As always, I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye everyone.